Good morning, folks. We'll be analyzing a small solar flaring uptick today, along with a look at the skies for the coming days. Those monitoring spaceweathernews.com saw SDO go back into lag mode yesterday. No new images, and so we stick with Proba 2. Really not that less of quality, and more importantly, all the big eruptions would be able to be seen. Up north, a large dark patch is the departing coronal hole, but the thinner dark ropes to the south and back left are plasma filaments presenting eruption threat the early part of this week. GOES SXI was on point the last day as well. You're going to see some minor flashing building up in that central bright sunspot grouping. It's not anything major by any means, but anything looks noticeable amidst otherwise flat-line charts. Sunspot center disk is developing some magnetic mixing potential as the polarities clash. We'll keep watching today. We've also got some new sunspots coming over the limb into view now, and we'll be monitoring those as well. All the plasma filaments and sunspots should be watched as the heliocentric geometry presents tomorrow. Venus and Jupiter heliocentrically conjoined. Perhaps a burst or two is coming. Solar wind, even with some data missing, yellow trending down on ACE, you can see the speed and intensity of the stream is waning. Discover shows this too, as the purple spikes fading into a calmer stream at the right. Well, folks, many of you know that August is Meteor season. The Perseid shower is one of the best, and it is on our doorstep. NASA says that there are 3 streams of debris the Earth will hit this year, and later this week and into the weekend, we should get a great show. Let's come to the tropics, where a triple system in the West Pacific has our attention, as the westernmost storm should actually be the most dangerous to life and infrastructure. Notice that we have a similar setup, only weaker, across the waters, where Florida and Mexico should be on alert the most. 3 systems there, 3 systems here. Only the one at the Mexican coastline will get terribly intense over the Americas, but the Florida system will drop a lot of rain. Folks, yesterday's Fly on the Wall podcast was a lot of fun. David from Adapt 2030 channel swung through for an amazing first half hour, and the second was our normal foray into some deeper and more unusual topics you don't get to hear about in these short morning news. We've got pressure and radar forecasts followed by shots of our star to close. It's 4:20 a.m. in the new Valley of the Sun. Eyes open, no fear. Be safe, everyone.